Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Alianne. Thank you so much for joining me and spending part of your day with me. So in today's video, I am going to be working in my laundry room. I've wanted to clean it out a little bit. It's not so bad, but before that I wanted to clean the dining table because I do have some laundry that I need to do, so I wanted to clear the table because I wanted to fold on the table.
Oh no, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me.
I have also been trying to figure out a way to make my laundry room a little bit functional for me, because I have cabinets mounted on the wall, but they're just not enough for me to store a lot of the stuff that I have for my laundry in there. So if you stay towards the end, I'm gonna show you guys a bookcase that I found on sale that I decided to buy, and that's what I'm gonna be using as my extra storage in the laundry room. I know you're thinking a bookcase, really, but they don't have to be for just books. You can make them functional and repurpose them, so that's what I'm gonna be doing.
Drinking, I'll go anywhere. The way you smile, like a flash in the universe. You are illuminating. I don't really care about the people in the bar line. I don't really mind all the woo girls doing stage dives. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you were saying, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. Even if I told you I could never let you go, I am not so sure you believe me. But if I mean to show you, I will never let you go. No, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total
So with a load in the dryer going and one more washing, I wanted to go ahead and start on the cleaning. And the first thing I wanted to do was wipe down my washer and dryer. They get very, very dusty. You can't see it with camera, but they are white, so I get to see them in person, like it's very visible. So I wanted to go ahead and just give them a good clean, and then I'm gonna work on the floors. The floors in the laundry room are a little bit old. Not old, but like they just look like they were stained so bad. So I want to see if I can clean them off and make them look nice again. So I wanted to clear this area, which is where I'm gonna put the bookcase, and yeah, just give it a good vacuum, and then after that I'm gonna mop it.
You're my type, sweet, and you care about my night. But I'm sobering up, and this moment's past. Oh yeah, I don't wanna be tucked in someone else's arms, 'cause my heart just broke and I need my time. Wanna speak so loud even though I hide, like I'm hypnotized, can't get out of here. You don't know me, I just need my time. Yeah, but they say I don't know where you come from. I don't. You seem too nice to be alone, so lonely. I see you going through some things, and I just wanna help. I don't know how to make it clearer. I just wanna go home alone. I need some time.
Okay, so the floors were nicely done. They were clean. They weren't totally clean. The stain did not come out all the way. So later on, you're going to see me use like a magic sponge or whatever it's called, magic eraser. I'm not sure what it's called, but I'm gonna try to use it and see if I can scrub off the blue stuff. But anyways, I wanted to change my loads over. My other towels were done, so I'm gonna go ahead and fold them, and then I will go ahead and show you guys the other part of the laundry room, which I've been using as storage, but I'm gonna go ahead and just organize it because it looks really bad. I mostly have a lot of my Christmas stuff there. I just wanted them nearby so that when I'm ready to decorate, I can just grab them without me waiting for my husband to get them from the garage or wherever we were gonna store them. So yeah, it was just an easier storage for me. So it became chaotic, and I definitely needed to organize it.
While we sit by the bonfire, 'cause this might be love. It's a feeling that I can't get rid of. So just take my hand, 'cause you know I don't wanna play pretend. Stay with me, take a chance, baby, roll the dice. Gotta give me some love, 'cause when I'm with you, I'm in paradise. You know how to make me feel alive. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. You gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. Let's go! chance, baby, roll the dice. Gotta give me some love, cause when I'm with you, I'm in paradise. You know how to make me feel alive. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. You gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah.
I don't have to party to have fun, you see. I got different hobbies, and that's all I need. Some say life is boring, but I disagree. I wake up and live my dream. Someday soon, I'm gonna make it. Yeah, all hard work's gonna be worth it. Ooh, everyone who didn't believe it, they don't know.
It definitely looked so much better after I organized everything, but I think I'm gonna put some of the stuff in the garage. We have storage in the garage that's good for the bins and the suitcase. That suitcase has my wedding dress in it, and it's so heavy, but I don't need it in the house, so I think that's gonna go as well. I just want to make sure that my laundry room is not gonna be a storage place, and I already have other stuff that I need to store in there. So yeah, I'm gonna definitely reduce the bins once I decorate for Christmas, but I'm looking for something that can help me hang or organize my mops and the brooms and all that. So I think I'm gonna get something to mount on the wall. I also saw that the command strips, not the command strips, the command hooks, they could be strong enough to hold the brooms and the mops as well, so I might try that. So yeah, now that everything is nicely cleaned and all that, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the blue spot that I've been trying to tell you guys about on my floor, and then I will go ahead and start on assembling the bookcase, which I did all by myself, and I feel so proud. So this is the blue spot, and it's definitely, yeah, it looked so yucky, but it won't come off, and I don't know what to do with it, so I think I'm just gonna leave it.
I'm gonna try, work till I die, till I die, till I die. I'm gonna finish it up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream. I'm gonna cry, chasing the highs, yeah, the highs, yeah, the highs. I'm gonna finish it up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream.
I have not assembled a lot of things in my lifetime, but I must say this bookcase was probably the easiest thing that I have ever done. Believe me when I say, if it was an IKEA product, I would not be putting it together. It drives me nuts. Everything from IKEA just drives me nuts. I love IKEA, but their furniture is just so freaking hard to put together, and it drives me crazy. So if we have an IKEA furniture, my husband handles that, but if it's anything else and I can handle it, I like to go ahead and try all by myself. Actually, my husband was putting together his computer chair at the same time as I was putting the bookcase, and you guys, I swear he was done in like 15 minutes, and I was struggling an hour later, but I was so determined I was not gonna let him help me. He offered to help me, and I said no so many times. I really wanted to do this all by myself. I might have messed up one little thing, but he will never find out about it. So anyways, I got it all together and I was so proud of myself. So yeah, I hope that this bookcase is going to really be functional for me, so that I can store a lot of my things in there. I just want to be able to organize everything, because I have a box in the garage with laundry stuff that I have not been able to unpack. Believe it or not, we're still unpacking boxes. If you've moved recently, you know the process just takes forever. So I'm taking my time and I'm trying to do my best. So we're doing one box at a time.
Wrapped in those sheets, you sound so nice. Mumble while you sleep. Feeling low, hard to breathe, but this I know I won't leave. Waking up in a bed with my head on a chest that I don't even know, but I guess it makes sense, 'cause I know we both like everything that happened.
It fit so perfect. It was not too wide, so it left a lot of space next to it. So I'm thinking maybe I might do floating shelves there just to match, and yeah, I might make it like a spring project. Not right now, something just for the future, but for now this is gonna do for me. But yeah, floating shelves I think will be very pretty next to the bookcase. So anyways, you guys, thanks so much for watching and hanging around with me. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope I will see you guys in my next one. Please don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so, and hit that notification bell so you know when I upload next, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.